Today we'll be making healthy chocolate, and I'm going to show you how to dice up our coconut. We'll be using some fresh coconut. I'm going to show you how to dice up the coconut. First we peel the coconut. And we'll be using 1/3 of a cup of coconut. Once I peel it, I'll cut it into small, dice it up for you. That's how I'll be dicing up our coconut today. Next we'll be grating 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Then we'll be using 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. So what we'll be making today, we'll be making two flavour healthy chocolate. And what we have here is some peanuts and some almond nuts, and that is 1 cup all together. And what we're going to do, we're going to season the almond and the peanuts, and we're going to put 1 tablespoon of date syrup in it, just to give it a little bit of flavour. Once we stir it in, we're going to divide it into 2 because we're making two healthy chocolate today. And this is a 1/2 cup I've got in front of me here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to make a peanut and almonds and the coconut healthy chocolate. So we're going to put the 1/3 cup of coconut in it and just stir it in. Just a pinch of salt. And then we're going to mix up our next healthy chocolate, which is the peanuts and the almond nuts. And we're going to put the 1 teaspoon of lemon zest in it, and the 1 tablespoon of ginger. We're going to put a pinch of salt. We're going to put a little bit of lemon in there as well. We're going to mix that in together. So what we're going to do now is put this in the tray, and I'll put some grease-proof paper at the bottom. And we're going to put this in the oven. We're going to put them in the oven on 172 centigrade. Okay, so today, as I said to you before, I'll be making some healthy dark chocolates. And we know that dark chocolate is more healthier. And this dark chocolate that we're using today, you can use it up to 85%. I've got 2 bars here, and I'm using 100, it's 200 grams, 100 grams each. So I'm just about to put it into to have it melt into the glass bowl. While it's melting, be stirring it. Okay, let that melt out. Okay, our peanuts has been roasted now for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to mix them into the chocolate which I've melted. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour it in the tray for you. And as I said before, today we will be using almond nuts and peanuts. And almond nuts and peanuts are very high in protein. And that's why we're doing this today, to make a healthy chocolate. Please see nutrition for 1/2 cup of almonds and 1/2 cup of peanuts. Okay, so I'm going to garnish it so I know which one's which. So I've got to put these almond nuts on and some peanuts. And then we have the we have the coconuts. And what I'm going to do with this now, I'm going to put it in the fridge and I'm going to leave it for an hour. Okay, this is our peanut and almond one, and it's cooked, and so we're going to put that in. Mix it in. This is what the almond and the peanut chocolate looks like when it's out of the fridge. Okay, this is what the coconut and the almond and the peanut one looks like. I'm just going to cut it down the center for you. Just to show you that it does work. Then we're going to put it across. As I said before, remember that while we are using the 70 to 85% chocolate is because it's good for your heart. It's also good for the heart HDL, and it's also good to lower blood pressure levels. The coconut also is good for, it helps the digestive system, and it's also good for energy. I ask you to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you very much.